Why 90% of the back pain comes from movement and not damage? Yes, that is true. It does come from movement, and the movement is an abnormal movement. The movement is an improper movement. As I say, movement is life. The more you move, the happier you are, the healthier you are. But if you don't move correctly, if you have an improper posture, especially if you see this software engineers all over the world, if you see receptionists, if you see doctors, if you see journalists, if you see all the patients who have got a desktop job, they sit 9 to 5 and they sit in a wrong posture, they stoop forward, they put pressure on the lower back, and that leads to severe stress at the lumbar vertebra, and that leads to a lot of pain because of maybe disc prolapse and impingement of the nerve roots. So I always say, even though movement is life, improper movement or abnormal posture is the main reason why youngsters all over the world are facing problems. To all the people who are watching this reel, it is my sincere advice, please take a break. Very important. If you're working wherever in US, Germany, Europe, Australia, wherever you're working, take a break regularly in your activity of work. And if that activity involves sitting for long hours of time, I always give this rule 30 is to 2. That is, for every 30 minutes, probably take a break of 1 to 2 minutes. Go to your water dispenser, have some water, and come back. Or at least in an hour, you take 1 to 2 minutes break. You break the chain of improper sitting or abnormal movement, abnormal posture. Your back pain will not come. As youngsters, it is not correct if you're developing back pain, if you're developing neck pain, if you're developing eye related issues. All these things happen because of constant stress of abnormal posture, abnormal movement, and exposure to the screen. So please understand, not only movement is life, there is another part of life which is very important, a lifestyle which is very important, that is regular posture breaks. The more you take a break in your posture, the healthier you will be. Constant posture should be avoided like anything, and definitely, even if you're into your 50s and 60s, you won't develop any major joint related problems if you follow this religiously. Break your posture, move correctly, and avoid improper sitting or a posture. Definitely, you'll do well over a long period of time. So, movement is life, but abnormal movement is disease.